What if I told you there's a place where you can walk off your cruise ship and be standing on one of the Caribbean's most pristine beaches in less than 2 minutes? No shuttles, no taxis, no hassle. Just pure turquoise water and powder white sand waiting for you. Welcome to Grand Turk, where your gangway opens directly onto paradise, and where most cruise passengers make 3 critical mistakes that cost them the best experiences of the day. We'll explore the cruise center beach, then head north to hidden spots and loop back through the island's historic sites. Grand Turk is the capital island of Turks and Caicos, a tiny 7-mile-long paradise that's home to just over 5,000 residents. The cruise center was built specifically to give you instant beach access the moment you step off the ship. But beyond that convenient beach lies some of the best snorkeling in the Caribbean, wild donkeys roaming free, a historic lighthouse with panoramic views, and authentic local culture that most passengers never discover. Let me give you a priority framework for your day here. If you only have 4 to 5 hours in port, focus on the cruise center beach and the free snorkeling. With 6 hours, add a golf cart rental to explore the lighthouse and Governor's Beach. With 7 to 8 hours, you can experience everything, including Cockburn Town's colonial charm and authentic island food. The beauty of Grand Turk is that you control the pace, and unlike most ports, you don't need expensive excursions to have an amazing day. Your ship docks at the Grand Turk Cruise Center, and the moment you walk down that pier, you're about 30 seconds from the beach. The terminal has duty-free shopping, a Starbucks, the world's only pink Starbucks by the way, plus restrooms and information desks. But don't linger here. Walk through the terminal, hang a left, and you'll find yourself at North Beach. This is where Carnival provides free beach chairs marked with green umbrellas. They're first come, first served, so if you want prime spots close to the water, get off the ship early. Here's tourist trap number 1 that catches almost everyone. Vendors will approach you offering to rent chairs for $20 to $40. But those free green Carnival chairs are right there, just a few rows back from the water. If you want to be directly on the waterline and don't mind paying, the vendor chairs are fine, and you're supporting locals. But know that free options exist. The beach is stunning, though it can be rocky in places. Water shoes are your friend here. Now, let's talk about the snorkeling, because this is where Grand Turk truly shines. Bring your own gear if you have it, or rent it at the beach for about $20. The reef runs along the cruise center beach, and you'll see colorful tropical fish, sea turtles, rays, and if you're lucky, even nurse sharks in the shallows. Grand Turk sits right on the edge of a 7,000-foot underwater wall, which means the water is incredibly clear and the marine life is abundant. Locals say the best snorkeling is near the pier pilings where fish gather in the shade. Just stay aware of boat traffic and respect the roped-off areas. If you want to escape the cruise center crowds, here's something most passengers miss. Walk north along the beach for about 10 minutes and you'll reach Jack's Shack, a local beach bar that's become legendary among repeat cruisers. You'll smell the jerk chicken grilling before you even see the place. This is where you'll find authentic island vibes, cold Turk's Head beer, fresh conch fritters, and some of the best jerk chicken in the Caribbean. The prices are reasonable, the atmosphere is laid back, and you're supporting a local family business. Plus, the beach here is less crowded and just as beautiful. Jack's Shack also has beach dogs that have become minor celebrities. They're friendly and love to swim with visitors. Now, if you're ready to explore beyond the beach, golf cart rentals are the way to go. They're available right at the cruise center for around $80 to $120 for a 4-seater. Split among 4 people, that's $25 to $30 each, and it gives you total freedom to explore the island. Grand Turk is small enough that you can't get lost, and the main road loops around the entire coastline. Drive on the left, British style, and watch for those wild donkeys. They have right-of-way, and they know it. Your first stop should be the Grand Turk Lighthouse, about a 20-minute drive north. Built in 1852, This iconic red and white lighthouse sits on a bluff overlooking the ocean. The views are spectacular. You can see the entire northern coast, the brilliant blue water, and on clear days, you might spot whales during migration season from January to April. There's a small admission fee of $5, and you can climb to the top for even better views. The lighthouse keeper's cottage has been converted into a small museum with exhibits about the island's maritime history. Here's tourist trap number 2. Don't pay for expensive island tours through the ship when a golf cart gives you the same access at half the price and on your own schedule. Those guided tours often rush you through stops and charge $60 to $80 per person for what you can easily do yourself. The island has good signage, friendly locals who give directions, and really, there are only a few main roads. After the lighthouse, head to Governor's Beach on the west side of the island. This is where locals go when they want to avoid cruise ship crowds. The beach here is wider, the sand is softer, and you'll often have large stretches to yourself. There are no facilities here, so bring water and snacks. But the trade-off is peace, quiet, and that authentic Caribbean beach experience you came for. The snorkeling here is excellent too, with coral formations just offshore. Next, let's discover Grand Turk's hidden history. On your way back toward the cruise center, stop in Cockburn Town, the capital of Turks and Caicos. This tiny historic town has beautiful Bermudian-style colonial architecture, colorful buildings, and a genuine local atmosphere. Visit the Turks and Caicos National Museum, housed in the historic Guinep House. It's small but fascinating, with exhibits about the island's salt-raking history, the Lucayan people who first inhabited these islands, and artifacts from the Molasses Reef shipwreck, one of the oldest European shipwrecks in the Americas. Admission is just $8. Here's your second authentic local experience. Stop at one of the small restaurants in Cockburn Town for lunch. Places like Sandbar or the Secret Garden serve fresh local fish, peas and rice, and Johnny cakes. You'll pay less than you would at the cruise center, the food is more authentic, and you'll be eating where locals actually eat. Ask for the catch of the day, usually snapper or grouper, prepared Turks and Caicos style with local spices. Tourist trap number 3 involves the Margaritaville pool at the cruise center. Yes, it's huge and impressive, but you just spent days on a cruise ship with pools. Why waste your limited island time in chlorinated water when the ocean is right there? If you're not a beach person, fine, but most people regret spending their port day at a pool when they could have been exploring. Before we wrap up, here are 2 quick bonus experiences. One unique attraction that surprises visitors is the Space History exhibit at the cruise center. Astronaut John Glenn's Friendship 7 capsule splashed down near here in 1962, and there's a replica capsule and exhibits celebrating that connection. It's free to visit and takes about 15 minutes. And if you're visiting during whale season, January through April, consider a whale watching excursion. Humpback whales migrate through these waters, and seeing them breach is unforgettable. Local operators offer 3-hour tours that are much cheaper than ship excursions. As your day winds down and you head back to the ship, take a moment to appreciate what makes Grand Turk special. This isn't an overdeveloped tourist trap. It's a genuine Caribbean island that happens to welcome cruise ships but hasn't lost its soul in the process. The beaches are real, the snorkeling is world-class, the history is authentic, and the locals are genuinely friendly. You can have an incredible day here without spending a fortune, and that's rare in the cruise world. Thanks for exploring Grand Turk with us today. Don't forget to grab your free quick guide in the description below. It's got all the details we covered, plus maps, vendor contacts, and insider tips. You'll also find links to recommended local tours and golf cart rentals, all from trusted operators who understand cruise schedules and offer better prices than ship excursions. If you loved this guide, hit subscribe and check out our next video for another amazing cruise destination. Safe travels, and we'll see you at the next port.